Hey y'all, welcome back. If you've ever dreamed of transforming your bathroom into a personal sanctuary, you're in the right place. Today, we're setting the mood for relaxation, rejuvenation, and a little bit of everyday luxury, right in your own home. We're about to dive into 18 stunning spa-like luxury bathrooms that will make you never want to leave. Each one is designed to inspire, whether you're planning a full remodel or just looking for a few calming touches to elevate your space. These spaces are all about turning your daily routine into a true retreat, wellness, comfort, and style, all in one. Imagine stepping into a bathroom that instantly soothes your senses, with soft textures, gentle lighting, and thoughtful details that make every moment feel special. Forget just pretty tiles. These bathrooms nurture mind, body, and soul. From natural materials to calming color palettes, every element is chosen to help you unwind and recharge, no matter how busy your day has been. So, pour yourself a cup of tea, settle in, and get ready to be inspired by calming spaces and the ultimate in-home relaxation. Whether you love a minimalist vibe or crave a lush, cozy retreat, there's something here for everyone. Let's explore bathrooms that feel like a luxury spa getaway without ever leaving home. Get ready to discover new ideas, clever design tips, and the perfect inspiration to create your own peaceful oasis. Let's start with one of my favorite ways to bring a spa-like feel into the bathroom: incorporating natural stone. There's something truly timeless and grounding about using materials that come straight from the earth. Natural stone instantly elevates the atmosphere, making even the simplest bathroom feel like a luxurious retreat. Marble, travertine, or slate. Whether you choose to use them from floor to ceiling or as accent features, these stones soothe the soul and ground the room in organic beauty. Their unique patterns and subtle color variations create a sense of calm and connection to nature that's hard to replicate with synthetic materials. Stone surfaces add texture and depth, transforming daily routines into rituals of comfort. The tactile sensation of cool stone under your fingertips, the way light dances across its surface, and the sense of permanence it brings all contribute to a truly immersive experience. For a true sanctuary, pair stone with soft, neutral colors and warm wood accents. This combination enhances the natural feel, creating a harmonious balance between rugged elegance and soothing simplicity. Add plush towels, greenery, or candles to complete the spa-like ambience. In a space like this, stress melts away. You're left with a peaceful retreat where you can unwind, recharge, and simply be, surrounded by the calming embrace of nature's finest materials. Few things say luxury spa quite like a freestanding soaking tub. These beautiful fixtures instantly elevate any bathroom, creating a sense of calm and indulgence the moment you step inside. The gentle curves and open space around the tub invite you to slow down and savor a moment of tranquility. Sculptural tubs are true showstoppers, acting as the centerpiece of your bathroom. Their deep, inviting design encourages you to unwind, soak away stress, and enjoy a peaceful retreat. Add candles, lush plants, or soft lighting to enhance the ambience and make every bath feel special. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern silhouette or a timeless clawfoot classic, freestanding tubs transform bathing into a luxurious escape. Their versatility means they fit seamlessly into any style, from contemporary to traditional, always offering a touch of elegance. For the ultimate spa-like experience, position your tub by a window or with a beautiful view. Natural light and scenic surroundings create a soothing atmosphere, making your bath time feel like a private getaway right at home. Ultimately, it's about carving out a personal sanctuary, a space dedicated to relaxation and self-care. With a freestanding tub oasis, you can make every day feel like a spa day, prioritizing your well-being and creating moments of pure comfort. Lighting transforms a bathroom. Warm, dimmable lights set a calming mood instantly. Layer recessed lights, sconces, and a statement pendant for both function and drama. Use warm bulbs and dimmers to shift from energizing mornings to restful evenings. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in creating a restful retreat. Minimalist hardware keeps your space clutter-free and tranquil. Simple, streamlined faucets and pools in chrome, black or brass let the rest of the bathroom shine. Clean lines and timeless finishes create a lighter, airier feel. Less is more, encouraging a calm mind and peaceful spirit. A built-in steam shower brings the spa home. Rejuvenation at the push of a button. Steam soothes muscles, clears your mind, and offers real wellness benefits. Add a bench, aromatherapy, and glass doors for a private, restorative escape. It's your own sanctuary, tailored just for you. Heated floors are everyday luxury. Step onto warmth after a shower or bath. Radiant heating is subtle, efficient, and makes the whole room cozier. Works with tile, stone, or engineered wood, and pairs perfectly with plush rugs. It's a detail you'll appreciate every single day. Indoor plants bring life, color, and freshness to your bathroom. Greenery softens hard surfaces and thrives in humid environments. Think ferns, peace lilies, or eucalyptus. Place plants near the tub, on windowsills, or hanging for a lush, spa-like vibe. It's an easy way to transform your bathroom into a retreat. A rainfall showerhead instantly relaxes, mimicking a warm summer rain. Ceiling or wall-mounted, it creates a wide, enveloping flow of water. Add body jets or LED lighting for the full spa treatment. Even a Monday morning feels like a mini vacation. Scents transform a space. Aromatherapy turns your bathroom into a sanctuary. Use essential oil diffusers or candles with calming scents like lavender or eucalyptus. Built-in options or simple candles both add fragrance and a gentle glow. A few moments of soothing scents can shift your whole mindset. A double vanity is both elegant and practical. Everyone gets their own space. Choose beautiful finishes, statement mirrors, and soft closed drawers for a harmonious look. More counter space and storage make mornings smoother and more enjoyable. It's a space that welcomes you with calm and intention. Floor-to-ceiling windows fill your bathroom with natural light and stunning views. Even small spaces feel expansive when the outdoors becomes part of the design. Use frosted glass or sheer curtains for privacy without sacrificing light. Soak in the tub or shower bathed in sunlight. Pure luxury. Texture adds depth and warmth. Think stone hand-laid tile or wood paneling. Each material tells a story and invites touch, making the space unique. Combine textures for dimension without overwhelming the room. Let materials take center stage for a spa-like, grounded feel. Music changes the atmosphere. Built-in sound systems fill your bathroom with soothing tunes or nature sounds. Hidden speakers and smart controls make it seamless and unobtrusive. Create playlists for every mood, from energizing mornings to relaxing nights. When every sense is engaged, your bathroom becomes a true retreat. Japanese soaking tubs, or ofuro, offer deep relaxation in a compact sculptural design. Made from wood or stone, they bring calm and minimalism to any space. Perfect for smaller bathrooms or meditative rituals. Pair with natural finishes and soft lighting. It's all about mindful design and the art of slow living. Smart tech brings comfort and luxury. Mirrors that defog, lighting that adjusts, showers that remember your settings. Integrate controls for heated floors, speakers, and more. Voice activation and custom settings make relaxation effortless. When tech supports wellness, your bathroom becomes a seamless blend of innovation and tranquility. Towel warmers add 5-star luxury. Wrap yourself in warmth after every bath or shower. Wall-mounted or freestanding, they keep towels fresh and dry. Choose modern or vintage styles with timers for convenience. It's a simple upgrade that brings daily joy. Smart storage is the foundation of a peaceful bathroom. Hidden cabinets, built-in shelves, and organized drawers keep everything in its place. Clear countertops and tidy towels create an open, inviting space. The less clutter, the more you can relax and enjoy your retreat. Imagine stepping from your bathroom into a secluded courtyard. Sunlight, fresh air, and greenery await. Glass doors or sliding panels blur the line between indoors and out. Add a cozy chair or water feature for the ultimate retreat. Spa living at its best. Private, peaceful, and restorative. I hope you're inspired by these spa-like bathrooms. Proof that relaxation and beauty can be part of everyday life. Which feature would you add to your home? Drop your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, hit subscribe for more home inspiration and wellness ideas. There's so much more coming your way, you won't want to miss out.